To get started with Sora 2, you need a special invitation code. This code allows you to access exclusive features and offers. Make sure to check your email or social media for any promotions. Friends often share their codes, so don't hesitate to ask around. Once you have your code, head to the Sora 2 website to redeem it and unlock your account. It's a simple and exciting process that opens up a world of possibilities. After acquiring your invite code, navigate to the registration page on the Sora 2 platform. Enter the code in the designated field and complete the sign-up form. You will need to provide some basic information like your name and email address. Be sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Once your account is set up, explore the Sora 2 features available to you. Take advantage of any introductory offers that might help you get started. The platform often has tutorials and guides that will help you understand its functionalities better. For those looking for additional ways to access Sora 2 for free, consider participating in community events or competitions. These events not only allow you to connect with other users, but can also serve as pathways to earning free access or exclusive content. Stay active in online forums and social media groups that discuss Sora 2. Users often share tips, tricks, and even codes that can give you added benefits. Engaging with the community can enhance your experience and help you discover new opportunities. Don't forget to check the official Sora 2 blog or news section for any upcoming deals or limited-time offers. This is a great way to catch discounts or gain access to features without any cost. If your friends are also interested in Sora 2, consider forming a group. Some platforms offer group promotions or referral bonuses that can allow everyone to join for free or at a reduced price. Make sure to keep an eye out for promotional campaigns, especially during special occasions or holidays. Companies often offer codes during these times to attract new users. If you're a student or part of an educational institution, check if your school has partnered with Sora 2. Many educational programs provide free or discounted access to their tools and resources. Review the terms and conditions of any offers or promotions you find to ensure you understand what is included and any obligations you might have. Finally, remember that opportunities to obtain Sora 2 for free can come and go. So act quickly. Regularly check for updates and stay connected with the community to not miss out on any beneficial offers. With a little effort and community engagement, accessing Sora 2 can be both rewarding and cost-effective. Enjoy all the features and enrich your experience on the platform.